In today's video, I'll show you how to create a creative opening where paint-like brush strokes move across the screen and reveal your video in a smooth and artistic way. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is placed right at the beginning of the timeline. This effect works best when used as an intro, so the brush motion feels natural. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to open the animation options. Next, switch to the In tab. This section controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Brush Reveal, then tap on it to apply the effect. Once applied, animated brush strokes sweep across the screen, gradually revealing the video underneath. In CapCut Mobile, this animation is applied directly to the video clip, not as a separate layer. Use the duration slider to control how fast the brush strokes move. Dragging it to the left makes the reveal energetic and quick. Dragging it to the right slows it down, creating a smoother and more cinematic feel. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so the brush movement flows naturally with your music or visuals. And that's it. You've successfully added a brush reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.